Hey folks, I expanded this area and closed the last stations from the hypersleep management. I have already the store and the shootout around here. Now I updated the left side. It's not delimited from the other, but in total I'm super happy with the composition. We are now here, that is the wake up field. 6 devices. Maybe I craft more and stack it on top of each other. And the drive's still waiting in this corner. We can handle 3 to the same time. It's the price for separating the engine. The timing is slow. Then back on this side, the lift is also modified. We can take out a capsule or reach on this way another level. I think we don't need a control panel for the lift. First thing is we haven't space for that, and the second, a better solution in my opinion is every crew member has something like a general purpose control device, but can drop it maybe here. We have access to the section over 2 ways, 2 levels up, in the back the medicine section. The first one is not really useful, the other one delivers the engines to the system. It's not a circle, I mean we get the empty ones on this side, but actually we need to fill the storage only one time. That's the reason that I think it is okay that these 2 sections overlap. You see, I filled the room also with medicine items. Then thanks so much for joining in and see you next time.